You searched how to buy shares of National Grid. This video shows the steps to buy NG.L. National Grid is a UK electricity and gas transmission company listed on LSE PLC under the ticker NG.L, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NG.L to find National Grid. Look for the listing on the London Stock Exchange to ensure you have the correct share. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the exchange and ticker match NG.L before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details carefully and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when the market opens. If your balance is insufficient, the platform will ask you to add funds before it confirms the purchase. Once filled, your National Grid position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same illustrative steps.